Mizz KT. Are you ready for a rockin' and reading time? I'm here with A and T. Yes, and together they make at. Let's play a game. Can you make this beat? Now you try. Ready? Ah, that was awesome. Now, at what rhymes with at. Pick any beginning sound. It can be something that makes a serious word or a silly word. I like the letter Z. And it makes the sound Z. So Z, at, zat. Oh, zat rhymes with at. Now your turn. Any beginning sound. Do you have it?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, let's go. Ready? At what rhymes with at. Your turn. Ready? Let's go.
Rhymes with at.
That was awesome! A and T really liked your rhyme too. Can you think of other words that rhyme with at? I'll see you next time.